Good morning, sweetheart. Time to wake up. It's too early, Mom. It's 7 o'clock. The sun is shining. Come on, open your eyes. Just 5 more minutes, please. Nope, sleepy girl. It's a school day. Oh, okay. I'm awake. That's my girl. Let's start the day. Sit up, honey. Let's stretch your arms. It feels good. Good job. Now reach up to the ceiling. Stretch, stretch, stretch. My arms feel so long. That's the idea. Now twist to the side. 1, 2, 3. Okay, done. Great! Stretching helps you wake up your body. Can I stretch in bed every day? Yes, it's a good habit. Making the bed. All right, let's make your bed before breakfast. Aw, do I have to? Yes, you do. A tidy room means a tidy mind. Giggles! You always say that. Because it's true. Come on, pull up the blanket. Okay, I'll fix the pillow too. Perfect. Looks nice and clean now. Yay! Bed made. High five. Slap. Done. Brushing teeth. Now go brush your teeth. All right, I'm going. Don't forget the toothpaste. I never forget. Brush for 2 minutes, okay? Make sure you brush the back teeth too. Bull, bull. Mom, I can't talk. Fine, finish brushing first. After a moment, done. Fresh breath. Let me check. Nice job. Shiny teeth. Thanks, Mom. Washing face. Now wash your face, honey. Okay, cold water or warm water? Warm water is better in the morning. It feels so nice. Dry it with the towel. There, all clean. Beautiful face, ready for a new day. Thanks, Mom. Getting dressed. What do you want to wear today? The pink shirt or the blue one? I like the blue one. It looks great on you. Okay, blue it is. Need help with your socks? Nope, I got it. Good girl. All done. Nice outfit. Let's fix your hair next. Sit still, honey. I'll brush your hair. Be gentle, please. I will. No pulling, I promise. It's smoother now. See? All done. You look lovely. Thanks. Can I have a ponytail today? Sure. Perfect. Okay, let's go to the kitchen.
It smells good.
I made scrambled eggs and toast.
Yay, my favorite.
Sit down, sweetheart. Here's your plate.
Thank you. Do we have orange juice?
Yup, fresh and cold.
Yum.
Eat slowly, okay?
Okay. Choose. It's delicious, Mom.
I'm glad you like it. What's for lunch today? Turkey sandwich, apple slices, and a cookie.
Yes! Perfect!
Finish up, then we'll pack your bag.
Okay. Done.
Great job. Go get your backpack.
On it.
Got your homework folder? Check. Water bottle? Check. Lunchbox? Check. All right, ready to roll. Let's go, Mom. Have a great day, my love.
Thanks, Mom. See you later.
Bye, sweetheart. Coming home from school. Hey, sweetie. Welcome home. How was your day? Hi, Mom. It was good, but I'm so tired. I can tell from your face. Did you have a busy day at school? Yes. We had gym class and we ran around the whole playground. My legs feel like noodles. Like noodles? That's a funny way to say it. Come in, take off your shoes, and put your backpack by the door. Okay, done. Can I sit on the couch for a minute? Sure, go ahead. You've been working hard all day. This feels so good. You always look so relaxed after school. Do you want some water? Yes, please. My throat's dry. Here you go. Cold and fresh. Thanks, Mom. That's better. Good girl. Now take a deep breath and tell me all about your day. Snack time! I made some snacks for you. Would you like an apple slice or a cookie first? Can I have both? Of course you can. You deserve a little treat after such a long day. Yay! I love snack time. Here's your plate. Some apple slices with peanut butter and a small chocolate chip cookie. You always make snacks look so nice. That's because I know it makes you happy. It really does. Oh, and today we did something super fun in science class. Oh yeah? Tell me about it while you eat. We made the volcano experiment. And guess what? Mine actually erupted. No way. That's amazing. Did everyone's volcano work? Not everyone's. Some didn't have enough baking soda, but mine had the perfect amount, so it bubbled up like real lava. Wow, I bet your teacher was proud. She said, "Great job, Emma. You followed all the steps carefully." That's awesome, honey. I'm proud of you, too. Thanks, Mom. It was messy, though. My hands smelt like vinegar all day. That's part of science, learning and smelling strange things. True. Talking about school. So, besides the volcano, what else did you do today? We practiced multiplication in math. It's getting a little harder now. I remember that stage. Multiplication can feel tricky at first, but once you practice, it gets easier. Yeah, I'm starting to remember some of the tables. That's great. Which ones did you work on today? The sixes and sevens. They're not my favorite. Nobody loves the sevens, but you'll get them soon. Do you want me to help you later? Maybe after dinner. I think I need a little break first. That sounds good. You know your body. Rest first, then study. Mom, can I tell you something funny that happened at lunch? Of course. I love your school stories. So, my friend Lily accidentally dropped her juice box and it splashed on Ben's shirt. He looked so shocked. Oh no, what did Lily do? She apologized right away. Ben wasn't mad, he just laughed. Then everyone started laughing too. It sounds like your class has a lot of fun together. Yeah, we do. I like my friends. I'm happy to hear that, sweetheart. Friends make school so much better. Yeah, and guess what? Next week, we're visiting the Science Museum. I remember! You gave me the permission slip this morning. I can't wait to hear all about it when you go. I'm excited too. So, besides the volcano, what else did you do today? We practiced multiplication in math. It's getting a little harder now. I remember that stage. Multiplication can feel tricky at first, but once you practice, it gets easier. Yeah, I'm starting to remember some of the tables. That's great. Which ones did you work on today? The 6s and 7s. They're not my favorite. Nobody loves the 7s, but you'll get them soon. Do you want me to help you later? Maybe after dinner? I think I need a little break first. That sounds good. You know your body. Rest first, then study. Mom, can I tell you something funny that happened at lunch? Of course. I love your school stories. So, my friend Lily accidentally dropped her juice box and it splashed on Ben's shirt. He looked so shocked. Oh no. What did Lily do? She apologized right away. Ben wasn't mad. He just laughed. Then everyone started laughing too. It sounds like your class has a lot of fun together. Yeah, we do. I like my friends. I'm happy to hear that, sweetheart. Friends make school so much better. Yeah, and guess what? Next week we're visiting the Science Museum. I remember. You gave me the permission slip this morning. I can't wait to hear all about it when you go. I'm excited too.
Okay, now that you've rested and had your snack, let's start on your homework, okay?
Already? Can I watch one video first?
Just one short video, then homework. Deal?
Deal.
All right, time's up. Homework time.
Okay, fine. Let's do this.
What subject do you want to start with?
I think I'll start with math, the multiplication sheet.
Good idea. Do the hard stuff first. Then it's easier later.
Okay, 6 times 3 is 18. 7 times 2 is 14.
Great job. You're doing really well.
Thanks. But I keep forgetting 7 times 8.
That one's tricky. It's 56.
Oh, right. I'll write that down to remember.
Good thinking. Repetition helps your brain remember better.
I finished the first page.
That's fantastic. Let's check your answers together. All correct except this one. 8 times 4.
Oh, I wrote 32 instead of... Wait, that's right, isn't it?
You're right. Sorry, my mistake. You nailed it.
See, even moms make mistakes sometimes.
Yep, we sure do. Okay, sweetheart, dinner's almost ready. Go wash your hands before you come to the table. Okay, Mom, what are we having tonight? We're having spaghetti with tomato sauce and a little bit of garlic bread on the side. Yum! That's my favorite. I know it is. That's why I made it. Can I help with anything?
Sure, sweetheart. Can you set the table for me? Plates, forks, and napkins, please.
On it. Let's see. 1 plate for you, 1 for me, and 1 for Dad when he gets home.
Perfect. Don't forget the glasses for water.
Got them. Should I put the bread in the basket too?
Yes, please. You're becoming such a good helper in the kitchen.
Thanks. I like helping you. It makes me feel grown up.
That's because you are growing up, sweetie. Every day you're a little taller and a little smarter.
You always say that.
Because it's true. Okay, dinner's ready. Let's eat before it gets cold.
All right, dinner was great. Now let's clean up before we get too comfy. Okay, I'll clear the table. Thank you, sweetheart. I'll wash the dishes. Plates clinking, water running. Mom, can I try washing the dishes today? Of course, but be careful. The water is warm. Okay, I'll do the small plates first. Good idea. You're doing great. Smiles proudly. It's kind of fun. It's like giving the dishes a little bubble bath.
That's one way to see it. I love your imagination.
See, all clean. Wow, you did an amazing job. Thank you for helping me. You're welcome. Now the kitchen looks so nice. It really does. You make everything easier, Emma. Aw, thanks, Mom. Getting ready for bed.
All right, young lady, it's time to start your bedtime routine.
Already? Can't I stay up a little longer?
Sorry, sweetheart. You need a good night's sleep to be ready for school tomorrow.
Okay, but can I have story time?
Of course. Go change into your pajamas first. Soft footsteps fade away and come back.
Okay, I'm ready. Pajamas on.
Great. Did you brush your teeth?
Not yet. I'm going now.
Don't forget to floss, too.
Ugh, flossing is hard.
I know, but it keeps your teeth healthy. You'll thank me later.
Done. Sparkly clean.
Good girl. Now hop into bed.
Can we read my new book tonight? The one about the little dolphin? Sure. Let's see. The Little Dolphin's Big Adventure. Mom reads softly. Gentle background lullaby music fades in. And the little dolphin swam through the deep blue sea, brave and happy, because he knew he could do anything if he tried. Emma smiling sleepily. That's such a nice story, Mom. I thought you'd like it. Now close your eyes and rest. Good night, Mom. I love you. I love you more, my sweet girl. Sleep tight.